We've all been there. You send a WhatsApp message and then spot a mistake. Previously, you had to delete the message and type it again. Now, WhatsApp has an edit message feature that lets you correct errors after sending it. This guide shows you how to edit messages when you can't change and how edits appear to others. Go ahead, open your WhatsApp application, go to the chat section or the conversation where you want to edit your message, then long press your message until the menu appears. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and you'll see the edit option that is between copy and pin. Now you can delete the previous message and type a new one. This message will open in the typing box. You can correct a mistake or rewrite the message. The edited message will replace the original. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.